Rice casserole. Not everyone loves this dish, but today I'll prove to you that it can be delicious. We'll need 3 chicken fillets. We put them on a preheated frying pan, greased with a tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and black pepper. While the chicken is being fried, let's do the onions. We need 2 small heads. Pre-clean them and cut into half rings. Turn the fillet over. It should be slightly browned. Keep it on the fire for another 6 minutes. Be sure to add salt and pepper on the other side. Look at what beautiful skin. It looks very appetizing. This is a sign that the chicken can be removed from the heat. Let's let it cool down a little. In a clean frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat it slightly and spread the onions around. Sprinkle salt and pepper and add a tablespoon of turmeric. It will give a beautiful golden hue. Look at the color. This is just what we wanted. The chicken is cooled down. You can cut it into large pieces. This will also be going into our casserole dish. But first, combine the fillet with the onions so that the ingredients exchange flavors. Mix well. The chicken will also turn to a beautiful shade of yellow. Boil the rice. We send 420 grams of white rice to the water and wait for the water to boil. After boiling, cook for about 7 minutes. Now to prepare the binder. Whisk 2 chicken oaks in a bowl. Add 180 grams of natural yogurt, salt, pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. Mix until even. We send part of the rice to the filling and mix it again. Rice, in the truest sense of the word, will be drowned in our filling. Mix until you achieve such a mass. Pre-melt butter and use a brush to lubricate a mold into which we'll put our casserole. Spread the mixture of rice and yogurt inside the mold. Make sure that it is level. Use a spatula to help yourself. The next layer is chicken with onions. We lay everything out evenly and correct it with a spatula. The finishing touch is boiled rice with nothing else. After the dish is finished, you'll flip the mold and the rice will be its sturdy foundation. Cover the casserole with foil. This will protect it from drying out. You can add another layer of foil to make sure that the juice is kept inside. We send it to the oven preheated at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. That's not all. Take 245 grams of white unsweetened yogurt. Add half a teaspoon of minced garlic and a couple teaspoons of lemon juice. You can also add some fresh basil. Mix it together. Remove the casserole from the oven. Make sure to take a pot holder or a towel so that you don't get burned. Remove the foil. We cover the form with a large plate and then carefully turn it over. If desired, you can sprinkle the dish with goji berries. Time to cut it. We've got a full-fledged dish that contains both meat and a side dish at once. Add a little bit of the yogurt sauce on top, and it'll make the casserole even juicier. Mmm.